how to fix the sagging evaporative air vent. So this air vent here is kind of falling off, as you can see, and to fix it you need to buy this clip, plastic clip, and it goes into the hole right here. So if this one is already broken, you need to take it out and replace it with this one. So basically it goes in like this, and then you just push it all the way in, and that will help hold this one up against the ceiling right here. Now before we go ahead and put this clip in, I just want to show you there are two different sizes, so make sure that you get the right size for your vent clip. This is a shorter one, and this is the longer one, but I have just improvised and I have cut it down because the shop are now closed and it takes a long time for me to get there to buy the right size. So what I did is I just kind of cut it down so that it's almost the same size as this one, and after that you can clip it in. Okay, so you can see this one here is falling down, so basically all you need to do is put this clip in into the hole and then push it in, and then you can see here there are groove at the top. So as you push it in, it should try to hold down, and you can hear the click. So once it click into play, you can see this one will hold against the ceiling. So there's one more click, I can push it in all the way in to make it hold against the ceiling. And now I sit all the way in, and you can see this one now sit very tight against the ceiling. Okay, so to take out the old one, you can just squeeze it down and then pull out. You can see the old one is already broken. That's why it no longer works, and this is the reason why this thing is falling down. There you go. This is already broken, that's why it's not working. So here is another one. We can put it in like this. And you can see it is now nice and tight. To get it out, just squeeze and then pull out. And that's it. That's how you can fix the sagging evaporative air conduct. And they're very cheap, only cost you a few dollars, and you can fix it up. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.